Hey guys, so if you want to know how I got this look, how I got this popping look, keep on watching. Since I couldn't find a primer, I'm using some setting spray. I'm putting the NORX glow on my skin and then just blending that out in my hand because I'm too bush to find a brush. So now I'm just going to be putting in my dark foundation and then the lighter one, and then I'll just be blending that out with my brush also. Don't forget the neck and the jawline and the ear. So just blend everything out. I know you people, I sound so weird today. Like I can barely even hear myself. I feel like I'm talking through a speaker. So I'll be giving you people a mini eyebrow tutorial. So as you saw earlier, I put in some setting powder, brushed it out. Now I'm just concealing my eyebrows, and to start off with, I start with the arc. Every single time I want to draw an eyebrow, I start with the arc and then blend out to detail and then take from the front back to the arc to just blend everything down to, and yeah, you'll see, just it's self-explanatory. Just watch. You're welcome. I hope you guys enjoyed the mini eyebrow tutorial. So now I'm just going to be doing my eyeshadow, and to date I'll also be using my right eye because that is my good side. And to start off with, I'm putting in like a light brown shade and I'm going to be blending this out. So this is literally going to be my base, just like, yeah, my base. And then after that, after blending everything out, no pigment, no nothing, neutral, no side is higher than any side, just blending it out smoothly and everything. I'm going in a tapping motion as well as a circular motion because I can't choose between the two. So after that, I'm going to be taking like a darker brown eyeshadow. Yeah. Now I'm going to be using a darker brown eyeshadow and making sure the outside is more smoked than the inside, going in the circular motion as well as the tapping motion and a sliding motion. So now I'm going to be using red to smoke out the brow bone area, just the top of it, and blending it in with the black as well. So the red is going to just be on the top and then the black will be the brown in the middle. So now I just cut my crease and I'm going to be tapping in yellow eyeshadow in it. So yeah, this yellow eyeshadow will just bring out the color of the glitters and the shimmer I'll put on next. So you guys should keep on watching. I've literally already summarized the next two steps. put in white glitters to the inner tear duct area, and now I'm just wiping out the glitters that might have stained the upper crease area. So yeah, after this we'll be putting on some liner and then the lashes. Okay, so as you've noticed, I've not yet put on my lashes, but the lashes will be coming later in the video. Now I'm just going to be doing my highlight and contour routine as well as the blush, and yeah, the remaining face powder and then setting spray. You guys should just be watching because this look is about to pop. It's about to pop. Boom. Ah, just watch, okay? Okay, now so I'm going to be smoking out the bottom lashes area, then putting some liner to it and some mascara as well. So keep on watching because we're not done yet. We are not done yet. Okay, so what do you guys think of my look? Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment down, and also subscribe if you want.